Hi there. So you're thinking about buying a home and you don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with 𝙀𝙬𝙝 Realty. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of your largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interest is protected. I've been in the industry for some time and I've assisted multiple buyers over the years. Here's how I can help you. First, I will make sure you're qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what types of loans you can qualify for and what the full payment will be, including the payment, interest, taxes, and insurance. Once you know you're qualified, we will go house hunting and make sure you're fully aware of the neighborhood, schools, or anything that could possibly be problematic with the area or the home could affect the value later on. Then we help you negotiate an offer in a way that's beneficial to you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we provide guidance to ensure that your initial deposit makes it to the attorney. And we start scheduling inspections and the appraisal. We are diligent about making sure you don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we keep your deposit safe. We won't want to risk losing it. It's super important that after inspections to know what is customary to or not to ask for from the seller. We are in constant communication with all the parties in the transaction to ensure your best interest is covered and that we can close on time. There's so many more parts of this transaction. I could be here for a few hours telling you. So better yet, give me a call. I will become your trusted advisor, walking you through step by step and ensuring you make the right decisions all the way through. We give you the keys to your new home, even becoming a lifelong friend. So don't forget, the seller pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize my service. But I can guarantee that it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional who's on your team. Give me a call today and see how I can get you into a new home.